Hello everyone, my name is K. Chenj Reddy, working as the assistant professor in Tegal Krishna Reddy Engineering College. Welcome to my channel. My channel name is Accelerative Research. This video I will explain about paraphrasing tool, a QuillBot AI tool. This tool very useful for correcting grammar mistakes. Okay, now I will explain how to correcting grammar mistakes in documentation or research paper. This is a research paper. For quality improvement and distribution system using ANFS controller. I will copy this abstract. I will click here this paraphrasing tool. In this paraphrasing tool, have many options. First one is the paraphraser. Second one is the grammar checker. Now I will click here. In this grammar checker. Here have showing options: English, US, German, French. Okay. Now I will paste here. Here showing 130 words. In this abstract have total 7 grammar mistakes here. First one here, adaptive neurophagy inference. I will click here, accept all. Okay. When I am clicking here this QuillBot tool correcting all grammar mistakes. Next I will paste here. This is best tool for correcting grammar mistakes in research papers or detailed project abstracts. Next I will copy one more para. This one, first para. I will copy this one. Again I will go to here. This is the QuillBot. This is free software available. Okay, just type here QuillBot. Okay, here free grammar checker. Click here free grammar checker. Paste here, copy data. In this pair, I have two mistakes here, showing red color this one. Click here, click grammar, replace this one. Okay, correct. Here, this the QuillBot corrected this sentence. Okay, next, I will copy this one. I will replace original text. Okay. So this is the procedure for correcting grammar mistake by using QuillBot. This is free software. Okay, if you want to upgrade, premium version also available. Okay, thank you for watching this video.